homemade fried. Like I want like bro, like no KFC, no like chat, none of that. I want like actual like fucking like genuinely fried chicken, and there's no way to get genuinely fried chicken. Darren, stop stream. I want to go to sleep, and there's no way, bro. Make it yourself, bro. Do I look like I know how to make fried chicken, bro? The only person I know how to like that make very good fried chicken is my grandma. My grandma makes very good fried chicken, bro. Like I never met, bro. I promise you, chat. I never met anybody who makes as good as fried chicken as my bro, chat. I never met anybody who made good fried chicken like my grandmother. Bro, stop trying to log into my stuff, bro. You're not getting it. Bro, you're not getting in it. Like, dude. Holy shit. Belgium. Right mid. Atletico Madrid. Luke Bacchio. This is the most like I'm genuinely not in the mood for this shit. Luke fucking Bacchio. Nah, you know what, chat? I'm too hungry, y'all. I'm too hungry. Chat, I'm too hungry. I'm too hungry. I'm sorry. Chat, I'm too hungry, y'all. Chat, what do I do? And chat, y'all already know what I want to, bro. You guys already know what I want. Oh, these packs are shit. France. What? You get out. But mom, no. France. Right mid. Like, you can't fucking tell me this not fucking the baby, bro. Like, bro, you just can't tell me that's not the baby, bro. You can't. France, bro. CF. You kinda cool, not bad, bro. Like, I need better, bro. Give me a better pack than this shit. Like, chat, bro, chat, you can't tell me that don't look anything like fucking, whatchamacallit. You can't tell me, bro. That don't look like the baby. That looks just like the baby, bro. You're right, full bar. What did he say, bro? What did full bar say? Order some KFC. I already ordered some KFC yesterday. I don't want to order KFC again, bro. Like, bro, chat, when you eat too much KFC, it fucks you up. That's why, like, that's the reason I don't want to eat too much KFC. You feel what I'm saying? Cooking stream, yo, chat, cook it. Portugal, Ronaldo.